Today we're going to Morocco. Well, not really. We're just going to pack for a trip to Morocco on this episode of Beyond Your Socks and Undies. You know the drill? We'll start with the basics. Don't forget your passport, your wallet, some local currency, a toothbrush and toothpaste, a hairbrush, soap and shampoo, a raincoat, a hat, sunscreen, a camera, a water bottle, comfortable walking shoes, cool tops that cover your shoulders, motion sickness medication, and a backpack, not a suitcase. At GAdventures, we like to dig a little bit deeper and give you more insightful information for your destination. We don't just want you bringing what you need, we want you bringing the absolute best version of it. When traveling, it's important to respect the customs and cultures of wherever you're going. Morocco is a largely Islamic country, so dressing a bit more modestly, while not required, shows respect. Wear tops with short sleeves and shorts or skirts that cover the knee. Again, it's not a rule, it's just a recommendation. Morocco is a country of really diverse landscapes, from a long coastline to breathtaking deserts to winding roads. The mountains might be a challenge for you. If you get carsick, pack some Dramamine. And be sure to take it every half an hour before you drive off. The next thing you're going to want to pack is actually, well, nothing. Morocco's souks, or markets, are some of the most amazing places in the world. And with incredible spices, hand-dyed leather, hand-woven rugs, and a variety of natural beauty products on offer, you'll want to go home with, well, probably quite a few things. Many vendors can ship larger goods back home for you, but if you can, leave space in your suitcase. You'll thank yourself. This episode of Beyond Your Socks and Undies is brought to you by the GAdventures Gear Shop. Our world deserves more you, and you deserve more cool stuff. Visit GAdventures.com/gearshop to check it out. Thanks for joining us. Our world deserves more you, and we hope you feel a bit more prepared to bring yourself to it. Have a great trip.